Hey guys, today we're reviewing the Wedge Acoustic panels by Auslet. We just installed them in our studio space, and so far the process has been really easy. It's very apartment friendly. It's sticky enough that they all stay very firmly and securely, but you can also take them down very easily and it doesn't leave residue. You don't need to pin into your walls, but if you need to, if at some point they start being not sticky enough, we can just stick a pin through, and they're also reusable. I'd say if you're trying to dampen your space and make for a better recording environment, I'd say give these a try. Acoustic panels by Auslet. Wedge acoustic panels.